night to everyone. Hope everyone doing well. Welcome back to another live stream, London live stream. So yeah, we have a very interesting topic today. Um, Talking about a payout denial, right? So um, we had a payout denial here from Aqua Funded. The situation here, the reason for my denial, um, reason they said is that they notice tick scalping activity, right? Um, Everyone see how I trade. Um, they more or less accuse me of cheating, right? Um, when reviewing the rules, they did have tick scalping and stuff like that, right? In the FAQ. But the thing is, they didn't have a time limit, so they did not have your trade duration, right? And my thing is that if you have tick scalping activity as a prohibited um, rule, right? You should have recommended uh, um, your trades must be over a duration of 2 minutes, right? They did not specify the duration in the rule. So I'm like, that's weird, you know? But I thinking, okay, that is probably like, with the arbitrage shit, the high frequency shit. I thinking it's like that, and apparently it's not. So, so they say the trades need to be over 2 minutes. So I'm like, okay, cool. And I did take a lot of trades. Like, come on, you all see I take trades here, and sometimes I don't even stay in a minute in a trade, right? Because we trade in volume, and with volume, price gonna move fast. Once it hit our levels, we're out. What are we staying in for again? So now I have to stay longer. The fucked up part about it is that the the rule applies for losses as well. So if I enter a trade, for example, we're looking at this trade here. We break above the high, I'm looking to take buys, right? Take my buys, market push up, then come back down in 30 seconds and break the own low, candle own low. That's supposed to be my stop. No, if it happens under 2 minutes, I have to allow that move to keep going until the 2 minute mark. Otherwise, it's going to consider as tick scalping, which is really fucked up. So this morning, I took my last night, sorry, I took my first trade on the account again. So let me just show you that. So this is it here, right? So this is me back on the account, right? This is me back on the account here. Second account, right? Um, this is it here. So this is the trade I took. What ended up happening? This shit moved all the way up here, and again, I need a consistency score, so I don't want to gain too much profit in one day, but it is what it is. This trade was 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Right, so it's recorded here. So right, so this was the account, right? No, so no payout, right? Payout was denied here. and this is a new one here. Right, so if you look at the previous one, trading overview, so I got a consistency score under 15% and I did a request, right? It's true that if you look at, for example, if you look at this trade there, April 4th, 7:30 open time, close 7:30 a.m. Right, so with some seconds, right? We have a profit here. So it's true. Look at that. This one is 4:16 a.m., 4:17 a.m. close. There's a break-even trade. This one here 4 a.m., 4:02. This one is okay, I guess. This one here is 2:17. This one here is 2:18. Right? You know, so it's true. I get what they're saying. Right? I do get what they're saying. But like, I don't know. Like they could have said so in the rules. So let me just show you the rules real quick. So what I was looking at initially was you come here, have an instant fund in the account, right? You come here, there isn't, okay, so you have the consistency rule stuff, right? This is the account I have a pro, instant funding pro, right? So you have the drawdown stuff, you have the consistency stuff, right? And the profit splits, and that's it, right? So I'm like, okay, cool, that much, to do. But you come back here and you come into rules, right? And then you come into other rules. This is where they have the rule here, right? So you have the example of strategies that violate our rules, and this is what mine fell under: tick scalping, right? So high frequency trading, arbitrage bots. So I am thinking, I know these. I know about these. I know about the tick scalping stuff. I know about this. And I know when you're trading with this, the the time you're in a trade is like a millisecond. Like sometimes it's not, you barely could even catch it. I've seen these bots work. I've seen it. So I'm thinking no, it's like the same shit, right? But I know they can tell on the back end that you have market orders, like market execution is taking place. Like you could tell if um, a limit order is placed. I know you can see that on the back end, the difference in what is being executed, what's being used to execute a trade, right? So I don't know what, like this whole shit, man. I don't know. So they said I did this, right? No, there's nothing here about duration of a trade. There's nothing here about duration, how long you should hold a trade. There's nothing here about that. And this is a general rule for the entire firm. So I'm like, what the hell, man? Like, at least say, like, put in the rules. So in rules, have um duration, minimum duration of trade, right? It should be right here. Minimum duration of trade, it should be right here. Right? So this is and again the majority of traders scalp. The majority scalp. So the thing about it is like to me it's a somewhat of hidden something, right? To me it's somewhat of a hidden something. That's how I see it. I see it as somewhat of a hidden something. Yeah. It's not it's a bit snaky, you know? It's a bit snaky. That's how I see it. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Let's see what's I'm gonna take my time and trade like the trade I just got on this account. Let me just show you. So the trade I just got on this account. Look at the duration of the trade. So the first trade, so the average will be that 2 minutes 6 seconds. I made sure I went over the time, right? So let's see it here. Enter 4:31:15, close 4:33:21. I made sure of it, right? Made sure of it. So I'm not gonna, you know, like make it a big issue. They gave me back an account. I'm gonna do it again, and yeah, hopefully my experience don't go too bad, be too sour with having to be in a trade for 2 minutes, more or less against my will. Um, I can't really trade with a stop loss initially, stop loss at TP, because next thing you get hit immediately and it's out of my control. So if that happen again, my account will be violated again, right? So I won't be able to get a payout. So let's see. I'm gonna more or less I'm gonna have to trade this account for the rest of the month, get consistent gains, get proper setups, so I could get good gains. Yeah, I may have to make about 4,000 some on this account. Already I can see that. Um, Already I can see that if this will be my highest day. Highest day is 667.5 divided by 15%. Yeah, so this would be my target. This would be what I have to make. Right, 4450. This will be the balance I need to aim for on this account. Right, so yeah, have an idea. At least we have an idea of what is required. All right, so something like that. Yeah. So it might take me a little while. I'm gonna try my best to keep it around this area, because with this 2 minute shit, for losses, I could end up taking a serious loss, like a good hit with that, right? Because there is times when I enter certain trades and excuse me, time when I enter certain trades and we break above the high and then we just pull back immediately, and market go against me. It happens. So I really have to be aware of that, and it's a fucked up time for it to be happening, because with the way the market moving right now, like I'm already risking, like this trade here, the risk was more or less up here. I got triggered in on the pullback. I don't know what happened there, but this was like, yeah, 33 pips stop, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna go end up 50 pips, which is really good, right? Because at one point I was up here, like 70 some pips, but I couldn't close the trade. I couldn't close the trade, so I was like 800 or something floating, 900 or something floating. I was like, I can't close the trade, and I don't want to close the trade that high, right? So I was praying, like I actually wanted it to come down, because the lower it is, the higher the least among the profit I need to make. I don't need to make. I want to go for a whole bunch of profits and shit, man. So yeah, we'll see how this account goes, man. We'll see how this account goes. Like, it's what it is at the end of the day. We'll see how this account goes. I'm done trading it right now, by the way, too. Just yeah, I'm done trading it. But yeah, so this is my POD now here, man. This is my POD now. This is my POD now here. Alright, decline. PO decline. Yeah. Um, the thing is here, this is the next data code request. So um, I don't think this is week after Tuesday. The week after Easter, actually. Easter is next week, yeah. The week after Easter. Yeah, I don't think maybe the end of that week, maybe the 25th or somewhere there, we may be able to get this out. Maybe even the following week. But I'm not in a rush to try to get this shit done. I want to do it properly. Let me see if this freaking firm. I know they do payout. I've known people who gotten payout, but we'll see. So this is one of the things I said here. This is the trades. See, if you notice, 18 seconds, 1 minute, 9 seconds, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 52, 7. You see, all is like this is what they showed. They sent, showing like how much, you know, yeah, how much of these trades I have like that. Yeah. So that's it there, man. That's it there. That's it there. That's it there. So that right there was my PRD now. Alright, so this fucked up though. This fucked up. It's really fucked up. But it is what it is, man. It happened, and I'll get through it. We'll get through it for sure, for sure. We'll get through it. But what the hell? What the hell, man? Shit. That shit just pushed up there. Oh, okay. Yeah, gold is gone, man. Gold is gone. Let's see if we're gonna get rejected in the zones there. This is actually like a 2-hour level here. Yeah, any kind of buying is above the zone. It could even be above here too, though. It's 100 pips there. And there's nothing here to do. There's literally nothing here to do. Nothing here to do. This morning is just a chill shrimp for the most part. Nothing. I wasn't here for this. This would have been nice. But got up a little too late. 40 pips wasn't bad, but yeah, missed this. some type of pullback like that would be good here actually. Yeah, fast sales, I don't know when I fast sales, but this is a 4 hour zone here, which we rejected. So let's just let's just wait and see. We want to close above the other stuff. So let's see if we get 15 closure above here to continue up. 30 close above here, sorry, to continue up, right? 30 minute close above to continue up. Well, that's it for now. Nothing like sales. You have to form support, close below support, and then to continue back in this range. They have to happen within the next 2 hours. So this 4 hour, yeah, reject would count as this 4 hour rejection. So let's just see. We'll see. Oh yeah, yeah, definitely gonna be a sort of gaming morning here, you know. Definitely gonna be some type of a gaming morning here. Do I stream the game? Should I play Warzone? Verdansk is back. Warzone is actually really good right now. Um, Played a few games earlier on. Warzone is really good right now. I really do enjoy it now. It's way freaking better than that shit they had there. Since they went to like that second map, man, that Caldera map, that was it, man. That game was like the shit they implemented, all those stuff, like it was horrible, man, horrible. That's when I stopped playing, man. Stop playing that. Since they went to that map, played like twice, I'm like, nope. The game has changed, but no, they made some changes, and it hasn't been too bad from the changes they made. And now it's in the original Verdansk, like the way how the game is now. It's really good. It's really good. So like you have man, so we're just gonna just keep like moving here, huh? Cool. Yeah, so the thing with Verdansk is like they remove the how you call it how you call it the zip stuff what call it again. I forgot what I call it. But the shit that helps you to the shit that helps you to relocate across the map and shit. Like that shit, yeah. That um not having that is very good. Oh yeah, not having those zip stuff is very good. Very good. this thing running so like this? Huh. This is insane. Good, what you doing, man? Give us a nice little pullback or something now. Come on. We have 60 pips remain here. Hopefully we can get um, something here. Don't do us like that. Mm, 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 Oh, we got a 5 minute closure here. I didn't even notice that. Could have probably taken the 5 minute closure actually, you know. Could have probably taken the 5 minute closure actually. It's a bit too late for that now. Yeah, more or less a chill stream right now. Will be a very chill stream. Yep, will be a very chill stream. Like there's nothing here. Like price is just calm. Price is just gone, 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 gone. Possibly above here we get some buys, but that's about it. There's nothing really about this here. Yeah, there's nothing, man. Look at that shit. Yeah, we got nothing here. Just a bunch of waiting. Price move up 300 pips here. That's insane from this fucking move here. That shit is wild. Yeah, nothing to really do here, but just yeah. That's chill. It's a chill stream today. Nothing we could do about all these extra movements, man. It's a lot of movements. Yeah, and we got nothing else on this potential move here on, but I mean I didn't even bother to take it. Wouldn't a lot there though. Euro yen. Some sales here. Wow, where is the holy shit, hold on. Where is it low for that? Oh, let me find the low for this shit here real quick. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, yeah, we got nothing here, man. This is rough as shit. Yeah, we ain't got nothing here, man. Till down here, we got some clean range. Yeah, sales under here. That's a target right here. Is it? Is it the best target? Yeah. All right. So yeah, that's what we're looking at here. This is our range ourselves on Bong Yen. There is no fucking buys coming in here. Unless you come back all the way above here. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, and don't really have nothing here. I'll stick with gold. I'll stick with watching gold. Now if we close above here, like just like this, the break of the high, we could continue to push up, fill this wick, at least halfway. Yeah, but then again, oh yeah, I don't trade dark Kong, so I'm good. Trading the other Kongs. So I don't have to worry about exiting quick or whatever it is, man. Fucking stupid shit. Yeah. Man, where is Shivana, huh? Mm. Yeah, those I could win that. Yeah, those I could beat him. Those I could. Wait, does he have two? Ah, fucking is that Zeri there, man. Needed that freaking Zeri. This is a nice pullback here. This is a very nice pullback here. Let's get some type of structure going, man. Shit. Keep pulling back. Let's get some form of structure going.
shit going. Holy shit. Oh, he that fast. Oh. shit is strong. What the hell? Fucking little good fuck me up. That was close. Okay, we seem to be getting a candle closure here. 30-minute candle closure. Um, I'm not too sure. I don't think I want to be in this. Break out the high to continue up. I don't know if we could make it. We have a 40 pip range there. 40 pips, that's a lot. Yeah, our stop loss here might be a bit too. Yeah, that's a 50 pip stop loss, man. Yeah, I'm not liking it though. 50 pip stop loss is very big, man. 50 pip stop loss is very big. So, um, yeah, don't really want to take that trade. Don't not liking it, I'll be honest. 50 pips is a lot, but there is a chance we move up here a bit. There's a high chance we move up here, I think, as well. Maybe we just wait, man. Maybe we just wait. Maybe we just wait. So we came down and make a lower low here on that wick on that candle, which is 60 bip stop loss now if we break the high. Yeah, definitely a no trade. Maybe wait until this candle closes and then we could probably take buys after that. Hmm, this one is a bit sketchy. Wow. There she is. There she is. Okay, good. Oof. Finally. Yeah, we break above here, but again, like I said, this is too much, man. This is 60 pip stops for what? 55 pip TP. Could move up, very well could move up, but now we just wait for our closure. So we have a smaller stop loss. have a closure here. Let's see if we get somewhat of a decent closure. I want a little wick down to continue up, so we have a stop loss. That's the only thing right now. Like the market is moving, right? The market is moving really well, but we don't have good stop losses. That's the only issue. We need good stop losses. That's what we need. We need good stop losses. That's all we need. So let's see here. It's not a nice closure for us to get. I think this setup here we enter on the. Yeah, I think it's better to enter on the closure here. I wasn't looking at that though, but initially I think it's better to just enter on the candle closure here. I think this is I still end up having all that stop loss, man. Oh shit, man. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. This is already 15 goddamn pips, man. Hold on. How much is this? 40? This would be 40 if you break the high. Yeah, 40 is a lot better. Let's see if we break the high here. Let's see if we break the high. I was looking at this here, but this is like still a lot. Yeah, this is like still a lot here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Yeah, this is too much still. This move down. This is too much. So we continue waiting. More or less short boring streams, yeah. So we could cancel this. Let's do some fresh analysis here. As we probably realize, closure below here will more or less send us bearish. Closure below here will more or less send us bearish. So we'll see. And what's the range here? Oh, this is a 50, 60 pip range. Okay, so there is a chance this gonna close as it is. Volume has died down. Maybe we get volume. Oh shit, I gotta move later on. Okay, we'll see, we'll see. We need a closure below here to continue down. The 4 hours have about an hour and some left. Yeah, this 30 is not looking good. Previous 30 closed rejected these highs over here, so we'll see. instead, huh? Mm, mm, mm. This is good. Oh yeah. I guess price gonna consolidate until New York for the most part. For the most part, I think it's just gonna consolidate until. If we close below here, then we get in a bearish closure, right? So we'll be we'll be creating structure closing below support, and then potentially we could, on the break of the lows, we could continue to move down a bit. It have to be a whole lot. So if you notice here, the 5 minute have some structure. So we have a nice little range here to possibly move down in. Let's see how we close though. Probably should have put that over here, huh? I could put this here still. Mm. Okay. go. We have a little bit of action here. Um, hmm, little bit of action here. So potentially, if we wake up, we can get a move down. This is a rejected one our rejected one on our closure here as well. So we want to see a wake up and break the lows to continue down. Again, we're closing under this range. So potentially we could come all in here. A nice move down, man. Nice little move down. Potentially. Potentially a nice little move down. So let's see if we could get, let's see if we get proper entry here. We need a wake up. We cannot just trade the break of the low. We need a wake up. It's a must. We must get a wake up. Did we get that there? Oh, there it is. Coming now. Okay. It's coming now. It's not there yet. It's coming. There's our wake up coming in. Still taking its time to come in. Okay, so we got our wake up here, I think, you know. I think this is it. Yeah, I think this is it. So on the break of the lows here, we're going to be entering our sells, and we're going to keep it a bit simple here. We're also going to, yeah, we're gonna keep it a bit simple here. We have a very nice stop, right? Smallest stop we had in a long time. 20, 25 pips. Yeah, we haven't had small stops like that in a while. So potentially very nice stop. And yeah, we should be able to move down very nicely. Yeah. London volume still here. I mean, we could potentially not do anything because we got pre volume, right? Pre London volume. So essentially, we got to wake up, and we would like to see a move to the downside, right? That's just ooh, very nice. Got this very early. So essentially, let me just mark this off. What we're looking at here is more or less this is a clean range we see here, right? So we are going to measure this. We are going to measure this range, and so this is our zone here, more or less right on the previous 4 hour resistance. That's the target there. So yeah, that's our target. That's what target stops right there. And that's our potential trade here, huh? Let's see how it goes. Man, this shit is moving crazy, yo. The hell? Yeah, we could get stopped out here, of course, you know. It's um it's a heavy, sort of heavy uptrend. But you know, a little scalp here, a little scalp here won't hurt potentially. So hmm. Yeah, seems like we don't want to go down here, huh? Yeah, seems like we don't want to go down here at all. First 5 minute close, bullish. Yeah, rejected, huh? Let's see, let's see. Yeah. Mm. What's new here? Nothing new. We didn't close above. Yeah, we didn't have closure above there. Yeah, so we got a little pullback here potentially. Yeah, man, we could get a little pullback here. You know. Yeah, we ain't looking for much. What's this range here? This is like 30 pips, man. Oh, come on. We could potentially get that, yeah. We could potentially get that. This is a clean range we have here. We could potentially get that. So let's see what's up. Man, that's another one. You need this. I need this inside. Okay, got stopped out here. Alright, so it is what it is here. Yeah, it is what it is here right now. Yeah, it's true we had a heavy uptrend. So I get that, I get that. Um, yeah, I get that. I get that. So good though. So good. Yeah, just need to wait for a 30-minute closure above here, I guess. Mm, yeah, that probably would have been a better. Yeah. Yeah, I think we lock off stream soon as well. Think we'll lock off stream soon. Oh, this guy's strong. Holy shit. that move just now, man? Holy shit. Yeah, I think we could cancel that, yeah. Yeah, thing. Should probably just create a bastion at this point, huh? Look at four bastion. Yeah, that makes sense, four bastion. At this point here, just make it that there. We need this, right? Yeah, we could use this. Mm. Mm. Break out the high, so continue up, but no bottom wick. So yeah. I already got a trade. I like my trade already for the day. On the account I showed you guys, right? So that was my main thing for the day. Just to get that trade going, you know. That was my main thing for the day. And I got it, so I'm good, more or less good for the day. More or less good for the day. At that last day, I was okay though. I had trade during Asian, so I'm still good for the day. pretty strong. What the hell? What did he build? Man, I still come fifth. What the hell did he build? Oh, he's strong. What did all that damage to me? Feeder. This is a nice build. Bruiser, Bombat. Okay. It's a nice build. Okay, so after this candle closes, I think this is gonna be it here for today. I don't think we can get anything else here. I don't think we can get anything else here. The market just moving, just moving. That's it. It's just moving, man. The market just moving. There's nothing to it, to be honest. Nothing to it. Yeah. But this is officially the sell zone. Yep. So we could get probably like buys above here. Um, buys above 30.52. Sells below 30.40. This range here for now is untradable. Nothing here. There's nothing in the middle here to do it. Right. So um, yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. So good luck trading, and see you tomorrow. Tomorrow would be, oh, tomorrow is CPI as well too. So be careful with that. Don't be trading too much. Don't be trading too much, yeah. Take care. Peace.